Are you having trouble with your iPhone's personal hotspot not working? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to fix your issue quickly and easily. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a bit, and tap General. After that, scroll down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then tap Reset. And then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to verify that it's you. Once you've reset the network settings, go back and tap Shut Down. Power off your iPhone and then turn it back on. Once you've done all these steps, you should be good to go. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.